In this video, we're going to do some layer maintenance here, and just to see if there's something we can do to allow this file to be saved as a TIFF file. So it's too large right now. We have too many layers in here. But I want you to be able to edit all of them. There's nothing in this layer, so we can delete that. Did we use this? We didn't use this, so we can delete that. We didn't use frequency separation, so we can delete that. We can delete. Well, actually, we didn't use frequency separation, but that's our image. So let's go ahead. We'll just merge that. So what I'll do, I'm actually coming in here. What is this? It looks like, I'm not sure where that is. Maybe that was, oh, it was that was the hair that we drew in, maybe. The wire mask, we can delete that layer. So for these, if this works and I'm able to do this, and it might not, I don't know, we'll see. These, we're using all those. All right, we've deleted some. So I'm going to try this and see if this will let me save it as a TIFF file. Let's try that. So if this lets me save, this is 4.3. We already have one, that's fine, but that's the one before we did any of those edits to overwrite that. So let's, okay. Go ahead and hit okay. Let's see if this will let this save. And if it does, then that's what I'll include in the project files. But if for whatever reason you want those other little things, I'll keep the PSB file around for a little bit, I guess, if you want that. As you saw, the layers that I deleted were really unnecessary anyway. But, and we've got the original raw file, of course, that is edited in Capture One. So if you really want to recreate that TIFF file, you can do that to get that. But all right, it's taking a little bit to save. So I'm going to pause the video here and until this either saves or doesn't save, and we'll find out after it does whatever it's going to do. We'll find out. All right, fantastic. It looked like it saved fine. So great. So now we have that file there. And if we look at our files here, we have that. So this here, we can actually take this and I'm just going to create a new folder. And I will throw it in here. If for whatever reason you want it out, so I'm not going to include it in the project files, but if for whatever reason you want it, you can see this one is just barely under, but under the 4 gigs limit. But if you want that, let me know. And if I still have it around, I'll keep that for a few months or so. And if it's still there, then I will give that to you. Otherwise, we'll work with the TIFF, which is perfect, and that's exactly what we want. So now that that's successful, we have all of our TIFF files. That means we can hop back into Capture One and start working on cropping and straightening, and we will do that in our next video.